And now next topic is BRS, Bank Reconciliation Statement. What is BRS? BRS means a statement or monthly statement prepared by the organization to meeting the balance of cash book and passbook. Whenever the cash book and passbook balance is not agreed, then the statement is prepared by the organization called Bank Reconciliation Statement, and it is a monthly statement, or every month it is prepared by the organization. It is because a bank holds the passbook and organizations hold the cash book, and there are so many transactions between the both of two identities, and sometimes they have no any information to each other. Therefore, the balance is mismatched of cash book and passbook. So, for the purpose to making the match of the balances, we have prepared this statement. And why the balance is mismatched? There are so many reasons for mismatching the balance of cash book as well as passbook. The very first reason is check issued but not yet presented for payment. Then second, check deposit but not cleared. Then third reason is that bank charges. Then fourth is check dishonor. And fifth is bank interest. Sixth, direct payment by bank. And seventh is direct deposit by customer into bank. And this is 7 reasons by which the balance of cash book and passbook is not tallied. The very first reason is check issued but not yet presented for payment. That means there are so many expenditures incurred by the organization, and to meeting these expenditures, organizations issued check to the third party, and third party is not presented such cash into the bank. Then in this case, the balance of cash book is reduced at the time to issue the check by the organization to the party, but bank has not reduced it until the check is presented. So the difference is being made. Then check deposit but not cleared. There are so many checks received from the third parties by the organization, and they have collected and entered into the cash book, into the receipt side, and then deposited into bank, and unfortunately or by having some reasons bank has not cleared the checks, then the balance of passbook is less than that of the balance of cash book. And next is bank charges. Bank is doing day-to-day services, then it is deducted some amount or debited the organization's account directly without any intimation to the organization. Therefore, the balance of passbook is reduced and cash book is not reduced, then balance is mismatched. Then check dishonor. Sometimes we have deposited the check into the bank by virtue of additions in receipt side, but the bank is not clear due to some specific reasons, that is called bank dishonor, and the balance of passbook is until less than that of the cash book. Another is bank interest. bank is also crediting the interest directly into the passbook, and organizations has no any information regarding it. Therefore, the balance of cash book is less than that of the balance of passbook. Then direct payment by bank. Sometimes the organizations authorize the bank to make the payment for continuous purpose expenditures like insurance premium and all, and the bank is make the payment directly from the accounts of organization, but the balance of cash book is unaffected for this payment. So there is a difference between cash book and passbook on this transaction. Then direct deposit by customers into bank. Whenever we have sent the reminder to the debtors for collection of fund on maturity, and the customers is unable to pay the amount into the office, but he or she is deposit directly into the bank account, and when the balance of passbook is increased due to the depositions of customers, and cash book is unaffected, and then there is a difference between both the balances. And now how can you reconcile the accounts, or how can you prepare the bank reconciliation statement? A unique format of this purpose is that item number, items, then debit, and then credit. Some people also written as letterhead. But item is good. So balance of passbook, balance of cash book always be debited and written in debit. Balance of passbook always credit, and in this format it should also be credited. Then overdraft of cash book credited, then overdraft of passbook it is debited. And now all transactions or 7 different aspects they have already explained by me. They are written as it is in any formats or any balances that you have prepared the BRS. Suppose you have prepared the BRS by using the base of balance of cash book, then it should be debited, and then rest of entry remaining the same. Whenever you have prepared the BRS by using the balance of passbook, then the balance of passbook is written in credit, then other rest of entries remaining same. Then overdraft of cash book, it should be credited always and written in credit, and other things being same except the interest or bank interest. In the case of overdraft, bank interest shifted from debit to credit, and rest entries remain the same. So the first entry, check issued but not presented for payment, always be written into debit side here. Then second, check deposit but not cleared, always be credited. Then number third, check dishonor always be credited. Then bank charges always be credited. Then bank interest debited in case of balance and credited in case of overdraft. whenever you have prepared the BRS by using the basis of overdraft of any balance, either cash, overdraft of cash book or overdraft of passbook, then you have used the interest on overdraft on credit side, and rest entry remaining same. Then direct deposit, direct payment by bank, always be credited. Then direct deposit by customer, always be debited. And then in this BRS, you have prepared, suppose you have prepared BRS by using the balance of cash book, then you have added debit column at first and then deducted from credit. Then if you are prepared BRS by using the overdraft of cash book, then you have total the credit side at first, and from credit side you have deducted from debit side to getting the payment of another books. So this is the format of BRS. And now one example of BRS and then solve solutions. Balance of cash book is 30,000. After checking the bank statement, the following discrepancy are found. Number one, 3 checks, rupees 10,000, 5,000 and 15,000 issued but not cleared, but not presented for payment. Number 2, checks deposit rupees 50,000 has not been cleared so far. Bank charge debited. By rupees 1,000. Bank interest rupees 2,000. Check disowner rupees 5,000. Direct payment by bank $6,000. Direct deposit by customer $10,000. And now BRS, debit, credit, and then items, balance as per cash book 30,000 in debit, then check issued but not yet presented for payment, total of these three, 15 plus 15, 30,000, and it should be debited. Then check deposit but not cleared by rupees 50,000 into credit. Then bank charges 1,000 in credit, then bank interest 2,000 in debit, and then check this owner. $5,000 in credit, then direct payment by bank $6,000 in credit, and direct deposit by customer which is 10,000 in debit. And now taking debit side as a balancing side, so 30, 30, 60 plus 10, 72,000 and 72,000, and from 72,000 deducted rupees 62,000, like 50 plus 151, then 5, 57, 56 and 6,000, 72, 62. From 72 minus 62, balance as per passbook, equal to 10,000, and this is your answer. Same as if in the question it is given that the balance of passbook, suppose it is balance of passbook is rupees 20,000 and other transactions remaining same, then the answer will be balance as per passbook $20,000 written here, then this remains same and other are remain same excluding the total. And now in this case we have totaled on credit side 20,000 plus 50,000, 70,000, then 71 plus 5, 76 plus 6, 82 plus 10, 82,000 total, and from 82,000 deducted 42,000, then balance as per cash book will be 82,000 minus 42,000 equal to 20,000, and this is your answer. and it's all about bank reconciliation statement. And bank reconciliation is completed, and thank you for this classes. And next topic will be final accounts in next class.